Hello, my name is Triin, and I'm Head of Strategic Partnerships in Mifundo, and former Head of Innovation in Swedish banks, SEB and Swedbank. In Mifundo, we allow banks to serve more customers and reduce credit risk by 7 times by enabling access to credit data from other countries. The problem is that in Europe, the credit data is highly fragmented. People might have a brilliant credit history in their home country, but if they move, they will become nobody. Banks do not trust them anymore. And it's not a niche problem. There are 45 million people in EU who are related to multiple countries. Regular people, talents moving back home, people commuting between countries for work, people who want to buy property to another country. We have gained strategic partnership with the European Commission to solve this particular problem. Mifundo brings together credit data from different sources into a single data hub. Our main information comes from the credit bureaus, and we complement it with the data from open banking sources. Okay, but let's take a look at our solution. So, I used to be a banker. Let's imagine that I'm taking this role again. Imagine that a Polish talent, Janina, has just moved here. She walks into a bank office, and normally I would have to reject her. But now, as I'm using Mifundo's solution, I can access her credit history from all over Europe. All that I need for that is customer's email and country. And if customer has credit information from more than one country, I can add several countries into one report. When I'm requesting the information, customer will receive an email. We'll go through identification and customer consent. It will take about 2 minutes. And here we have an example about Polish customer, but actually it can be someone from Spain, Germany, or from any other European country. The system is the same. So here is Janina's credit report. Here we complement information from Polish Credit Bureau together with open banking data. On top you can see the summary. Her credit score is green and there are no warnings. So I already know that I can work with this profile. I can see customer identification and contacts. Income data is coming from open banking sources. I bet you all know and probably have seen how easy it is to create fake bank account statements with AI. So it's much more secure to get this information from open banking. Next one is liabilities. That's a bit more interesting, so let's dive in. Here I can see all her existing loans from credit bureau information and from open banking information next to each other, so it would be easy to compare. And in this case, I can actually see that customer has not given us all her bank accounts. So maybe she tried to trick us, but maybe she just forgot. And actually, it doesn't matter because we know that there is one account missing, and we can ask her to add it. After customer consent, it will take few minutes for the information to appear in the same report. I can also see from history that she has had 8 previous contracts which she had paid back on time, and there are no delays, which makes sense because it's a good profile with green score. Also, it gives me the information that she doesn't have any unpaid liabilities in another country. As a banker, I really appreciate the information about gambling cost. Maybe if it's like 10 euros per month for lottery, it doesn't matter. But if 70% of her income goes to the casinos, then it's a red flag. Also, I like to check always the requests per month, because if it's like 50 requests during the last month, then it shows that the customer is desperate to get a loan. In this case, I can see that it's a good profile with green score. I can download all the information and actually do the underwriting as I would do for a local customer. So, people like Janina are moving to UK all the time. If you cannot engage with them, but other banks can, then you are losing the market. Since November 2026, regulator will oblige banks to use cross-border credit data. So, if you want to reduce risk and grow your market share at the same time, then come and find us after this presentation from our booth B8. Thank you.